Hi, my name is Jorge Pacheco with Culture Connect Branding and Digital Marketing, and today we're talking about ADA accommodations and how that works and relates to the internet, specifically to websites. For those who are not familiar with it, ADA is the American with Disabilities Act created in 1990. It was built primarily for physical accommodations, usually seen in retail locations and restaurants in the form of ramps and such, so people with or different physical disabilities can have access to the location and its different levels. These regulations were created before the internet and websites were as popular as they are nowadays, and some people have attempted to take the essence of ADA regulations for physical locations and apply it to the internet. The result has been an influx of businesses trying to accommodate the same level of accessibility for disabled users so they are able to interact with their own websites. Now, the first thing that we need to understand here is the fact that you and I may use a browser and a website that has certain user interactions and functionalities, um, through the mouse or the keyboard and things like that. But there are some of us that have a hard time using a browser and a website. And in some of these cases, for example, there are some people that use screen readers that read the whole website to them. So you can really imagine someone navigating a site and going through the navigation bar, headers, buttons, etc., without really getting any context about what the actionable items are. Can be really confusing for them at the time of buying or downloading or clicking on something. So there are a couple of really easy things that can be done to start fixing issues like this. And the first one is something that's called alt text or alternative text. And what it does is that it takes any media object, meaning any image, video, or document, and then it describes it to a screen reader. So if someone is navigating through it or through your website and they can't see it, at least they can hear what it is. Very important for buttons, banners, in general, any type of CTA where you expect someone to move forward and engage with your website. This is a very small but great step to start getting your website heading towards compliance with ADA regulations. If you want a quick scan of your website to find out if it is ADA compliant, just visit ada.cultureconnect.com for a free scan.